No, but when you tell people. Treason by definition is sharing military intelligence.
Madam Speaker, the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court. Madam Speaker, representatives of the President's Cabinet.
That's right. Third degree. Obama would always have a
But as you know,
yeah. Obama would always have a copy.
Yeah.
They might have one of the copies. Like Obama, remember there was
Yeah.
and you'll see the press has it. Yeah, you can see they have it.
It's a little distracting.
So like the
Well, I wanted to see if we could sign it.
yeah, that's what Obama would do. Get Obama.
Yeah.
Obama had like a nice brown.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I know.
we got to change rules.
And again, and again, and again. Senator, you did a great job.
Great entry.
Sooner or later, he must come down. Back up this way. Still got a few more here.
Hey, Senator.
You guys are getting more fun.
You gonna do it live?
All day, Nancy.
Elliot's, yeah. He took it over. I'm Junior Elliott. Yeah.
He's like
Elliot's my
all those
best
years.
buddy.
All those years, right? That's it. All day long.
Make him proud.
Make a proud. You cared to grow the mustache. Cared.
Elliot was a great movie. Yeah. I loved it. Big Daddy was. I was in for a long time. And he kind of shuffled around.
He and Logan like the same.
Yeah, his staff, he always said, you know, my staff's driving me crazy. I'm certain to Oh, he always should have blinked. He always should have blinked.
That was
the gavel.
Madam Speaker, the President of the United States.
Members of Congress, I have the high privilege and distinct honor,
جوگرانی برز
President
دروات دنگ خانم نانسی پلوسی سەرۆکی ئەنجومەنی نوێنەران پێشوازی و بەخێرهاتنی سەرۆک جو بایدن دەکات کە یەکەم وتاری لە دانیشتنی هاوبەشی هەردوو ئەنجومەنی نوێنەران و ئەنجومەنی سەناتۆران لە کۆنگرێسی ئەمریکا پێشکەش دەکات.
Mitch and Chuck will understand it's good to be almost home. Down the hall. Anyway, thank you all. Madam Speaker, Madam Vice President. No president has ever said those words from this podium. No president has ever said those words.
قەت ئەو قسانەی لەو شوێنەی کەمەنی ئەو قسانەی کردووە.
First Lady, I'm her husband.
خانمی یەکەم من هاوسەری
Distinguished guests, my fellow Americans, while the setting tonight is familiar, this gathering is just a little bit different.
هاوڵاتیانی ئەمریکای
Reminder
شەوەکە ئاشنایە ئەم کۆبنەوە تۆزێ جیاوازە.
to speak to Congress, to the nation, and to the world, to declare war, to celebrate peace, to announce new plans and possibilities.
قسە لەگەڵ کۆنگرێس و وڵات و
I've come to talk about crisis
ڕاگەنی شەر پێشوازی لە
in our democracy
من هاتوومە
and winning the
باسی
future for America.
قەیران بکەم بەڕێزان بەداخەوە
One day shy
باسی
of the 100th day of my administration.
وردنەوەی پاشە ڕۆژە بۆ
100 days since I took
لێرەمە
oath of office
ئەو
and
چوو
lifted my hand.
یەک ڕۆژ ماوێتی ببیتە 100 ڕۆژ کە بەڕێوەبەراتیم دەسەڵاتێ
We all did.
100 ڕۆژە کە من دەسەڵاتم گرتوۆتە دەست.
The worst economic crisis since the Great Depression.
ئێمە لە قەیران
Since the Civil War.
خراپترین پەندەمی هەتا لە ڕیماوە یەکسەدا لە وەتای قەیرانی گەورە لە وەتای ئێستا لە دوای 100 ڕۆژ من دەتوانم پێتان بڵم
Peril into possibility. Crisis to opportunity. facts in the
قازلان بکرێت بە دەرفەت ئەمریکاکان دەگەینەوە سەر خۆ هەر ئەمەش ئەو وا دەکەن ئەمریکایەکان هەڵدەستنەوە ڕاستی بەسەر درۆدا پەسەند دەکەن